Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, guys, I will be attempting to adjust the intake and exhaust valve on this 2019 Kenworth T680 and also replace the lower valve cover gasket. I had already changed the top valve cover gasket because I didn't have the second one, so I'm going to just replace the second one as well, so stay tuned. So in today's replacement and also adjusting the valves on this 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA 17, this is the lower valve cover gasket. It uses two, so in case you're doing it, there's one for the upper, one for the lower. This is the part number. And also I have a impact. I have a 10mm, a 12mm, a 13mm socket, a ratchet angle, extensions. This is a specialty tool, but I got it on Amazon. You will need this to turn the flywheel on this truck to let whatever cylinder you're working on be at top dead center. Also, this is a set of feeler gauge. I can link it in the description. And also, this is a smaller tool set with a 8mm. You're going to need that for the top valve cover. I don't have any brake parts cleaner at the moment. It's Thanksgiving and all the part stores are closed, but I have some Dawn dish soap mixed with water, and I have like my tool bag with other tools if in case I need it. And these are a 3/8 ratchet and also some battery. So that's what we're going to get done today in today's video. So first thing we're going to do is remove this breather box right here. It uses 6 13mm, and we're going to take off one of these clamps right here. It uses a 10mm or a 8mm depending on which of the clamp you have. It varies, so let's knock it out. Next, we're going to use a 8mm to remove the top valve cover. Now that the top of the valve cover is off, to take off this one, you have to unhook all six injectors, all six of them. Then you have this clip right here, this clip right here, and then you unscrew this bulkhead right here. Also, there's a bunch of 12 millimeters, and there's two 10 millimeter around here, one right here and one right here. So let's do that. So unhook all the injectors, the wires, that is, be careful not to break it. And then you have these two solenoids, and there's a bulkhead right here. You lift up this clip, pop it up, and then unscrew it. So let's do that. And that's it, guys. It's off. So now I'm going to prep the surface. That means cleaning. I don't have any brake parts cleaner, so I'm just going to use my shop rag with soap water. And this is the gasket that I will be replacing. I have a code that I'm leaking exhaust gases through valve cover or some other things, but I suspected that this was the issue. And that's it, guys. That's the first part of the install. The valve cover gasket is on and it's torqued to spec. So stay tuned for part 2.